Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Shift's really good. Everything seems nice and smooth. I don't hear any weird rattles. Drives really, really nice. You definitely wouldn't know it had 96,000 miles on it. Everything feels perfect. Steering wheel, like I said, doesn't shake. Brakes feel good, nice and quiet. I don't hear any rattles. And it shifts really smooth. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel, you can see, some discoloration in the paint there. Looks like it's kind of tarnished, and then the material is kind of flaking. You can see in the corner here, the paint's kind of peeling. A little bit of rash there. Looking at these tires, 275, 55, 20. They have some life left on them. They're getting pretty close though. Here on the fender, that upper side looks good. A couple little rock impacts here and there. Otherwise that looks good. Here on this mirror, you can see kind of bug etching and little rock chips here and there. That A-pillar looks nice. See a small scuff right there. Couple rock chips on that lower section. That handle looks good. I see a small scuff there. The rest of that looks nice. Looking at the bed. Overall, it looks really good. Checking out this wheel. This one's not as bad as the front. I'm not seeing as much paint peeling on the edges. And that front face looks really good. And looking at the front end, you do have rock chips kind of peppered throughout this grill. So you're going to see these rock impacts and rock chips. And then here on this plastic, this is busted. And then you're going to have rock chips kind of peppered throughout that front end. You have a gash right here. The headlight looks good. Here on the edge of the hood, of course, there are some rock chips. A couple more here. Now there's a wrap on this, and it is peeling, and it does have some damage. So you can see the specks in there. So if that was removed, I imagine underneath would look a lot better. But from here it looks pretty good. You got to get up close to see some of that damage. Otherwise that front end looks good. And looking in the engine bay, looks really clean. All these plastics look good. The underhood liner, it has a small gash over here in the corner. Otherwise it looks good. All right, looking at the driver fender. That looks really good. Here on this wheel, of course you got your little rock chips, and you have this little flaw here in the wheel. Looks like some sort of factory defect almost, as if it didn't get all the way painted. And looking at the mirror, got your bug etching, a couple of rock chips. A-pillar looks good. A couple minor chips every once in a while. A few scuffs on this handle. A couple chips on the door edge. Looking at the bedside, all of that looks good. That graphic looks really nice. See some small scuffs here. You can see some paint chipping here, some scratches. Looking at the tread on these, those look pretty good. Then checking out the tailgate. You do have some scratches right here. There's a scratch there, a couple chips. Looking at the bumper. Overall, it looks good. A couple chips down here. That taillight looks nice. That taillight looks good. Got the Line-X bed liner in here. Overall looks really good. And then you got the step here. Okay, checking out the interior. This is a non-smoker, and it is very, very clean in here. A couple chips, a little bit of wear. All those buttons look good. A couple minor scuffs on that plastic. That kick plate looks nice. A little bit of wear here on that floor mat, but for the miles, that looks really good. This cushion's a little deflated. You got some wrinkling here. I don't see any rips or tears. Then you do have some wear right there. But once again, no rips or tears. Bottom looks good. Checking out that steering wheel. A little shiny. Otherwise, looks really good. Got your spotlights here, power pedals, all of that's clean. And looking at the screen, looks good. Heated cool seats, trailer brake controller, then the trailer backup, push button start. All of this looks really nice. Here on the front right door panel, that looks really nice. This upper section's clean. Very minor wear, if any, on that panel. See a chip right here. That plastic looks good. Floor mats are super clean. That bolster looks amazing. See a little scuff here. A couple wrinkles, but otherwise that's a really clean seat. See that plastic looks good. This side of the console looks nice. Got your owner's manual. Still some of the factory parts in here. Upper side of this dash looks good. Massive panoramic roof. This side is very clean. Here on the back right door panel, I see a little bit of wear on the edge. That upper side looks good. There's a little scuff here. One right there. A couple small ones on that lower side. This trim looks good. Do have a little hole right here in the carpet, or a little spot missing. Little scuff right there. The rest of the seat looks nice. That seat back looks good. These seats are heated, And you do have your 110 volt there. That cap is broken off, and then those look good. Here on the back left door panel, a couple tiny scuffs. A little scuff there, otherwise that looks good. Got a chip here. That trim looks nice. Looking at the floor mats, those look good. There is a stain right there. Very small. Back seat looks good. This all looks awesome. Very clean back here.